Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add templates on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. So for adding templates, here I'm just going to click on this option, Open Editor, click on that. And for adding templates, here on the left, you can see here menu options, and here a second option, you can see here templates, click on that. And from here, you can just choose the template that you wanted. And after choosing the template, here you can just change the text by typing, and here also you can just change the text, and you can just replace it like this. And for deleting the background, here on the right you can see here menu options, and here as an option you can see here background image, click on that, and you can click on this delete button, then it will be gone. And if you want to add another background image, then you can just drag the image that you wanted, and now we can see that it's in front of the text. So for making it behind the text, and on the right side of that you can see that the image is here first, so drag it to the last, and now you can see that you had been changed the background image. From here you can just fill the picture here, and now you can see that you had been add templates on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.